Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, you will want to pop off the back cover. So using your fingernail you can just pry it off. There we go. And from here you'll have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now I'll be occupying one of each, so you do also need the adapter here if you're using the smallest one like I am. And once you get that, you can pop the card in here. At least that's what I'm gonna be using. And it just completely fell apart. That's great. There we go. So as you can see, you insert it the same way as you have engraved on, well, the plastic, and then SD card go right here. Again, push it in all the way, and it looks like we do need to reboot the device. So let's hold the power key and select restart. Okay, so now that the device booted back up, you can see it automatically pops the pin for the SIM card. That's because I do have a pin on my SIM card. So I'll confirm that. Obviously the SIM card is working, and SD card is working as well, which I can see right here based on the little icon. There we go. As you can see, super slowly it gives us the message to set up the SD card, so it is also working. And that is how you would insert both SIM and SD card into this device. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.